Good day, everyone. I am the first reporter and I am with Justin Imbarco and I will report this. Republic Act Number 10173, an act protecting individual personal information in information and communication systems in the government and the private sector, creating for the purpose a National Privacy Commission and for other purposes. Also known as the Data Privacy Act of 2012, is a law in the Philippines aimed to protecting the personal information and individuals in both government and private sector systems. It establishes guidelines for the collection, processing, storage, and sharing of personal data to prevent misuse of or abuse. The law also creates the National Privacy Commission or NPC, which is responsible for overseeing and enforcing data privacy rights, ensuring compliance with the law, and promoting awareness on data protection. The primary goal is to safeguard individuals' privacy while promoting